It took me a long time to rebuild my confidence and rebuild my mindset and rebuild my narrative around that. And just to attribute it to, no, it's not that you are bad at working and all kinds of work. It's just that you unfortunately were in a job that didn't utilize your skills. And so, one analogy I always tell my clients, a water bottle can be sold for 50 cents in a gas station or a supermarket, $2 at the cinema, and $5 on an airplane. And it's the same water bottle. It's just being placed in the right conditions and in the right context. So I think I really had to unlearn that for myself back then to recognize that I just wasn't utilizing my strengths and I
Mm.
needed to find a job where I would be able to do so.